When we considered who the recipient of the Service to Roofing Award might be, we were so overwhelmed by the large number of people who have dedicated big slices of their life to serve what they saw as the needs of the industry rather than themselves. The recipient of this award is an innovator, a thinker, and most of all, a doer. Some of his initiatives have resulted in roofing workmanship standards increasing throughout the country. This probably started with the roofing games, where we travelled the country with a convoy of vehicles and units which both pitted the top roofers against each other for a prize, but also was a training ground for people with less experience. It was very rewarding to see the amount of knowledge sharing that was done by the top roofers, not only to their own staff, but to their competitors. He has also been an importer of materials and machinery to assist the industry, and is a manufacturer of very helpful accessories to go with our product. He's always thinking outside the box, and he does a lot of his thinking when he's driving. So I always know when Max has been for a long drive because he rings me up with some crazy idea or nothing to run it past me. Max Brough, you're a very worthy recipient of this accolade. Please come up here and accept your award.